How's it going, everybody? It's Robin here. Thanks for joining me for your Saturday, August 6th tarot card reading. I will be using the Black Cat tarot card deck to do this reading for you, so I hope you guys enjoy. It's also, today is my Leo baby's birthday, so very happy birthday to Patrick if you happen to watch this reading, which he won't. Anyway, guys, let's get cracking on through with your reading. Hope you enjoy. So let me just start pulling some cards. I was gonna pull a card, but my guide said to do another shuffle. So what have we got here? Speaking of shuffle, we have the Four of Wands here, and this is just a really beautiful energy. The Four of Wands resonates with the vibration of celebrating, and you can see that these cats are linked in arms and they're dancing around the fire, which is just a really beautiful energy. If you've ever been camping and sat around the fire with your friends, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So today is going to be definitely a good day to hang out with your friends and celebrate something. If you were one of those people that you saw the reading yesterday and somebody's lies were exposed, this could be a really good opportunity to just go and shake it off somehow. So what else have we got here? These are such interesting cards here. So we do have the King of Cups. So a bit of the message from yesterday was to really control your emotions. We pulled the Temperance card in the face of other people's machinations, you know, because you can't help that, but you can help the way you react. So there is a bit of a lesson here to just find people that would really always honor you and to celebrate those people. It's much better to have one or two people in your life that you could call a friend than having like a huge group of acquaintances, okay? And the King of Cups is using all these emotions that could be expended on other people and keeping them to self, okay? Because your emotions is what drives you forward in life. And if you're channeling, look at how the King of Cups here is sitting down and maybe writing in a journal instead of venting to other people, just really sort of using this as a period of growth and a learning lesson, okay? Even if you're hanging out with your friends, you don't have to vent, because not to, you know, like a big dramatic extent or anything like that, but just like, hey, this happened, I don't feel very good about it. And then use this as a lesson to do some soul work, some shadow work, and to really help you be a little bit more selective with who you let into your life and who you let touch you on an emotional basis, you know, because that's an open gateway that can be taken advantage of by so many people, right? So anyway, it does look really, really good here for sort of developing yourself a little bit better. And we do have the Star card. So the Star card is this really hopeful, joyous energy. And there is maybe a call for you to spend a little bit of time by yourself and reevaluating what it is that you want out of your life, your relationships, the people that are closest to you. Like really, I'm seeing here, especially with these two cards, the Four of Wands, it's outside, it's in nature, and so is the Star card. So excuse me, when is the last time that you actually went outside and just like, wow, like the world that I live in is so beautiful, and watch the stars and take in a full moon if you can, or whatever phase it happens to be in, and just really use all of this to point yourself in a different direction when it comes to taking any sort of anything that is less than what you deserve. Do you know what I mean? Because we do that so many times in our life where we put up with people, you know, for whatever reciprocal reason, or you think that you need to keep a relationship with somebody because they happen to be a family member. You know, they say that blood is thicker than water, but loyalty to me is thicker than water, okay? So blood doesn't necessarily mean anything in certain instances. And again, we're getting this really beautiful card here with the High Priestess. This is like, again, what I was just saying, like, go out and look at the moon and go out and look at the stars and hang out by yourself and appreciate you and your journey. This is going to be a really beautiful day to either hang out with people that absolutely understand you and would never stick a knife in your back, or hang out with the most important person in your life, and that is you. You know, look how relaxed and at ease, the star card, and collecting all this energy from the stars above. This is a really beautiful, like sort of a take note of how important you are in your life. Okay, guys, so I'm going to wrap this one up. I really hope you take time and nourish yourself and strengthen yourself, really sort of worship yourself and get out into nature, even if that's on a balcony in a downtown apartment. Take advantage of the night sky, and it's just such an awesome feeling. So anyway, guys, I'm going to go. See you tomorrow. Bye.